My missus says about my penis.
Which one?
Which penis or which missus?
All of them. This kind of thing. We've got an album out, by the way.
It's
I'm in a band called
fantastic.
Orchestra Ruffanti, and this is the acoustic version because there's 14 of us usually.
Oh, is this
if you go on Orchestra Ruffanti on Facebook, there's a whole group of us. We do Latin stuff. It's great.
if you're going to speak it.
If you can spell it, Orchestra Ruffanti. That's RUFFANTI. We're on YouTube. We're on all these social media kid things.
Well worth it, guys. Check them out. It will be well worth it.
Amazing, absolutely amazing.
Well, the day cast down. Lengthy shadows of unfamiliar towns. And I drove 300 miles from the place that I call home. And I tipped my hat to the angels of the north. And the sun set fire to the heavens. On the hills over Sheffield tonight. As I travel through this countryside with new friends and home. We know it, man, we're alright. And you can keep your belief in whatever. For I will wear my cynicism like these tattoos. My poets try to engineer definitions of life. Know that all I can think of is you. And I can't wait to see you on Sunday. Far from the traffic and the smoke and the noise. And each evening I will play back the messages you left. So that I can sleep to the sound of your voice. I thought I'm a piano with me today, so you're just going to have to imagine I'm doing a really nice piano solo here. And it goes like this.
Well, imagine it.
Now I don't like using words like forever, but I would love you till the end of today. And in the morning when I remember all the things that you are, you know I'll fall for you all over again. And on a someday this all will be over. And it's hard to say what most I will miss. We just one way to spend my last moments alive. I choose this, I choose this, I choose this. I choose this, I choose this, I choose this. I choose this. Thank you.